Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we will be looking at a bot called Amun, which is an accumulator bot for the top coins that I believe in and I'm bullish about. But let's do the fun part first. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for information purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. So now that we're done with that, let's look at the bot. So I'm using 3C tools and I'm connected, my account is connected to this, my paper account. So this is something that I came up with for accumulation, and I have named it Amun. So yeah, let's dig into it and see what it's got. So it has closed 84 deals. It's using QFL. It's using the QFL original 7. That's a 7% drop, and it has earned about $400, $350, and yeah, let's look at use of safety orders. And so as you can see, 50% of the deals did not require a safety order. One safety order was required by 38, almost 39%. So that's like 88% does not require more than one safety order, and then two safety orders by 11%. Third and fourth safety order was never used, which is great. So this is where we can further define it, and we know that these two are actually not required, and we can make do with two safety orders. So let's check out the bot itself on 3commas. Okay. So the first thing you will notice is that it stays flat and then all of a sudden boom, and stays flat and all of a sudden boom. So basically you need to look at what is the deal start condition, and it's a QFL original 7% when there's a drop of 7%, which does not happen all the time. So this is basically a bot which is ready for a minor correction or a drop in price for any of the coins that you like. And the same thing here, you can see when it drops, it does when it makes a profit, it does make some good profit, $30, and you're investing $2,000 into this, another $30, and another $10. So this is something that I keep tweaking. This paper one I'm showing to you right now. Okay. So let's get into the bot and see how the things are, what the settings are. Yeah. So first of all, I have the naming portion, right? So the way I name it is this is the name of the bot, Amun. Then I have this straight line. Then I have the number of deals that I want to have, active deals, 7. Then the type of bot, this is a hybrid downtrend. When there's a downtrend, this bot works, and whenever there's a drop as well, this bot works. So that's why I call it a hybrid. ACC stands for accumulator. This is the amount usage over here. We can round it off to 2050. And this is the USD slash, okay, how many pairs do you have? All the pairs, or you have, in this case, the favorite 7. These are the 7 pairs that I like or I would like to accumulate. In your case, you could choose whichever pairs you like, and you can increase this accordingly. Then this, again, we have a dash and a straight line, and we have the number of safety orders. TP, that's the take profit, is at 13%, and this is maximum order price deviation, maximum safety order price deviation. So it says 53% here, but I've kept 60% here. The reason is that our deal start condition is QFL 7. That is when there's a drop of 7%. So 7% plus 53 is 60%. That's why I keep it 60% like that. Okay, then base order is 80, uh, and then the safety order is 40. The reason I'm keeping the base order in this as higher, and then the safety order is half the amount. Sometimes what happened, there's a drop of 7%, and then it goes back up, so it doesn't go below that, so in our case, I would like to use that drop and go for the 80 first, and then if there's some more room, that it goes down a bit, because as you can see, most of these are main coins besides Ocean, UTK, but there are almost some coins which are in the top 100, right? So uh, yeah, let's see, the price deviation is 6.6%, right? So after 7%, that's another plus 6, plus 7 plus 6, that's about 14% drop. So in that case, you never reach the second safety order. So that's why I keep the base order high. Now let's look at the breakdown. So the first order deviation will be at 0%, but for us, we know already because of its QFL 7, so it's 7%. Then this, we add 7 to all of these. The next is at 6%, which is about 7, about 14%, and then the next one is at 22. So it goes on, and we already know that these two are not really required. Only in case of then there is a major correction, it will catch it, but then again, it's better to remove these and bring it down to two safety orders, up to, which is 16 in this case. For example, if we do it right now, so we do it 2 and so let's look at 2. So this is 16.4 plus 7 again, so this will come down to 23.5, okay, which is great. And the rest of the time, we can always do manual intervention and get them out, so yeah, let's move on. The deal start condition is QFL original 7, take profits at 13%. You can bring it down to 10% for your deals to close earlier. I'm not keeping trailing on for this. So the price deviation is 6.6%. Maximum safety orders are 2, which we just changed. Safety volume scale is 1.2. For example, if you look over here, first is 80, then 40, then it starts increasing again to 48, and so on and so forth. If we would have kept for 4, for example, it would have increased 48 to 57 to 69 by the ratio of 1.2. Safety order step up scale is 1.49. 1.49 is this is 1.49 as it increases, and then there's no deal start condition. Reason being is that these are all the pairs I really want them to, whenever they drop, I want to catch that. And sometimes you can use this as an accumulator bot, in the sense that I'm using it as an accumulator bot because it will collect the profits in the base currency, but you can use this as a hodl bot as well, and you can increase this percentage over here if you want to hold on to the coins, the tokens. And then cooldown between deals is 1800, and simultaneous pairs is one at a time. So this was the Amun bot. This is a bot that I have created myself, and you don't need any subscription or anything for that, as long as you have a 3commas account and you have I believe at least have able to run a composite bot. You can run this with the what's available, and this is under QFL original and 7. Some of the exchanges don't provide support for QFL, but most of them do. So yeah, so thank you again for watching this video. If you liked it, please do hit the smash button, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Ozwenwinkel, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.